Das, you're gonna die.
Maureen?
No, Das, you're gonna die. Okay?
Like,
Oh my
Maureen.
gosh,
You
Todd.
smell that?
Honey.
Welcome to the stadium.
Oh, holy, wow.
This is the JoJo Show.
Why is it the simplest things that are making me cry? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Danny was diagnosed with a rare form of pediatric brain cancer at just 3 years old. Danny has bravely endured years of chemotherapy and still battles seizures and developmental challenges. Although he's not cancer-free, his condition is stable and his spirit remains unbreakable.
Walking down the hallway to Danny's room, I had already seen what they did to our room and then the girls' room, and I knew his room was going to be extraordinary.
Oh my gosh! So good! Wow. I loved it because usually he's a little bit guarded. He's not always sure of how he's supposed to react in situations because he's not great with social things. Even one of the girls whispered, that's the most genuine reaction I've ever heard out of Danny, like really from his heart where he hasn't been guarded. And
He just loved it.
what is that?
Holy cow.
This guy, David Wright, he just, turns out he's a fan.
Oh my gosh! Danny, boy, your favorite player!
And we even fixed up your closet. Oh, as you can see, we got another comforter and some pillows in there because I know Larry, he's away at school right now, but he comes home sometimes. And so we got you this, my friend. Yeah. And give it a whirl. It's pretty comfortable. I know there doesn't have any sheets on it right now.
Yeah.
You're not going to have any problems on that bed. We got pillows, mattress. We find a way on George Thorenz's
Oh
view.
my gosh!
Who are the Harlem Wizards?
Harlem Wizards, 1962.
Entertainment basketball like no other.
Trick hoops and alley-oops.
Woo, and a whole lot more.
Without further ado, we're gonna mention the man of the hour right now, Joe Gonzalez! They are on a roll. Yes!
JoJo has stolen the show. I mean, seriously, he is out there playing ball, he's stealing balls, he's doing trick shots, he's giving alley-oops. This is the JoJo Show. All right, this is all his family. Welcome to your new backyard.
Oh my God! Is this ours?
You see what's next, JoJo? Yeah, you see why I was stalling you here? All right, shall we?
Oh my God.
Oh, JoJo.
JoJo, look at that. When we walked into the yard, I was just overcome with emotion. Joseph was really happy.
His tears said it all.
It's beautiful, right? Oh, wow.
It was emotional for all of us.
Oh, it just melts my heart. I mean, what does any parent want for their child? You want to see them smile, you want to see them happy. Oh my God, look, they put their school!
So we made this an official Massapequa Chief court for you with the Massapequa colors.
Come on, JoJo, lay it up.
You take your glove to a baseball game thinking maybe you'll catch a home run or a foul ball, but you never expect this.
In between innings, Aaron Judge having a catch with the fan.
In the middle of a New York Yankees road game in Philadelphia, superstar outfielder Aaron Judge started playing catch with Long Island sixth grader James Payne.
Not many guys do that, but that kid is going to remember that without question forever.
James is only 11, but he is mature beyond his years. Oftentimes, he is the third parent to his two younger brothers, who both have severe autism. Welcome to the stadium.
Oh, holy, wow. This is when you know he's super happy because he just like...
To see James walk into his new room and be completely dumbfounded, he just looked around and he saw everything that he loves.
He deserves that. He is the third adult here, and he's never once said to either of us, he just does it. And he's a good, kind-hearted kid. And I'm very proud of him. Wow. That's absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. So I don't know how you guys didn't know, but that glove that was upstairs belongs to my father. When I was a kid, I would grab that glove all the time, and I would say to my dad, "Dad, can we go outside and have a catch?" And my dad was great. He would never ever tell me no. Out of all the gloves, right?
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Beautiful.
Sincerely, I can't thank you guys enough.
Olympic gold medal winner Amy Van Dyken is recovering tonight in a Scottsdale hospital after an ATV accident completely severed her spinal cord.
When you're told that you're gonna die, you kind of have more of a zest for life. You know what? Yeah, I look at this and I go, would I rather be walking? Yes, I would. But I'm alive, and I am so stoked to be alive, and if that means that I have to be in a wheelchair, you had better believe it is going to be the most fabulous wheelchair ever, and I have said that, and it will be, and you will see it. The way that my house is right now, like the way that I left it, I will not be able to take a shower.
All right, guys, come on in.
All right. Oh my gosh.
Check out
My
these
carpet is
floors.
gone.
Oh,
This is
wow.
amazing.
That looks awesome. And that was our biggest problem right there, that archway.
Yeah.
Because it was so narrow.
I didn't even notice the archway.
Right. So this is just the bedroom. What do you say? Shall we go check out the bathroom?
Yes, that is awesome. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. God. Why is it the simplest things that are making me cry? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
It looks like a spa.
It
really
is a
does.
spa.
I mean, it's unbelievable.
It is a spa. It totally is a spa.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow. Look
The
at
whole entire thing's
oh
tiled
my
in.
gosh. This is amazing. You have no idea. Since I've been injured, I have not had a really good shower.
You're gonna have a great shower
I'm gonna
now.
have a great shower.
And you see it's barrier free. So you just rolled right in. You don't...
You're right. Oh
yeah,
my
they
gosh.
took the lip out completely.
This is stunning. Look at the
Wow.
ceiling.
It's amazing.
To continue through the house and to see the renovations that took place. I mean, not only is this my house, this is my house on steroids, if you will.
Hi, my name is Anastasia Pagonis. Some people call me Toss, and I'm 15.
Our daughter Toss is an incredible swimmer, and she's a Paralympian medalist.
Between the ages of 5 and 15, she has endured progressive vision loss, which recently has left her almost completely blind. We want to surprise Toss with a life-changing rescue that will give her the independence and comfort she deserves. A hazardous bathroom and light sensitivity issues around the house create daily anxiety and obstacles. All right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Are you set? Welcome home.
Das, you're gonna die.
Maureen?
No, Das, you're gonna die. Okay? Oh my
Maureen.
gosh,
You
Todd.
smell that?
Honey, what the? Oh my.
So put your hand right here.
Oh my gosh.
All right? Now just reach out a little bit more.
A jacuzzi!
So when you were at the hotel, I know you were training on an endless pool. So we talked to the guys at Endless Pool, and they're very much behind who you are. Wait, your hand's in it right now. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.